Welcome back, Master Designers. Tonight we're gonna redraw Marine Devimon. Marine Devimon is one of my favorite Digimon. I have his card as well. I'll show you that real soon. That's a promise. Anyways, drawing Marine Devimon is easy. First you draw with the eyes. Then you draw the fins on top of his head. Now you draw the fangs. Here's the lower half of the jaws. Now here's the scuba gear. This scuba gear is part of Marine Devimon's design. Here's the tubes, and here's the belt. I was gonna draw these during the summer. After what happened on that accident, I was drawing some makeups to make up for this tragedy. There we go. Now here's the long tentacle-shaped claw. Here's his raptor-shaped claws. Here are the spikes. Now you draw the tentacles on his tail. Now we draw the upper claw here. There we go. Now we draw these claws here. See, you can catch up. There we go. play SpongeBob SquarePants.
Shuffling songs by SpongeBob SquarePants on Amazon
Now
Music.
here's his cape. Alexa, next song. Now we draw his thighs here. Now what? Marine Devimon has 4 claws that are part of his system. And these 4 claws allow him to defend himself. That's why I decided to, that's what the designers of Digimon did. They decided to give Marine Devimon some aquatic features to make him look like he's evolved. Anyways, there we go. That's Marine Devimon. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next. I meant redraw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.